Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this particular makeup look for my Bharatnatyam exam. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. I will show you guys how my makeup looked after the performance. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna first start with my skin prep. I'm using the alpha butane serum with hyaluronic acid since I need like super hydration for the entire day. So for the performance competition, whatever it is, you need a lot of hydration and you're gonna sweat a lot. I'm using like my sunscreen. This is both sunscreen and moisturizer, so it again gives me extra hydration. Next thing is primer. I'm gonna fill in the pores so I don't really sweat a lot and my makeup stays long time. So basically I'm gonna put it on the T-zone and like on the eyelids and a little bit on my cheeks to fill in the pores. So like lip balm is must. Now I'm gonna use highlighter. This is from Plum. It's called the Master Strobe Illuminating Highlighter. So I'm gonna use like a kind of golden shade. I'm gonna use like a golden shade and a purple lilac shade of highlighter. It's an illuminating highlighter. So that gives like more natural and like dewy finish onto your face. You can see my face already, it's like glowy. Now the very important thing that I'm going to be doing is color correction. I'm using peach corrector to seal in all those correcting areas so that it's not visible when you do your like when you do the dance and you turn here and there, and it should not be visible. You need to look like a little flawless, though you're not doing like the entire makeup routine of Bharatanatyam. I'm gonna spray some setting spray onto my beauty blender, and since I've like blended this in my fingers, I'm just gonna use some loose powder to lock all of these things in. So I've sealed all of these things in. So now you have like a couple of options that you're gonna try. Either you can go in with like full coverage foundation. Either you can go in with full coverage foundation, or you can go with a stick foundation or anything that's like more cream based, or you can also do is you can use concealers instead of cream based or like liquid foundation. So I am gonna go in with a stick foundation. This is by My Glam and this is in the shade Golden Honey. It depends on how many layers you're going to do for the coverage. For me, one layer would work for today. So I'm going to blend all of these things in. Since we would want to match our skin and our face and neck, putting a little bit of foundation to the neck is also essential. One good thing about this is it doesn't oxidize no matter how long you wear this particular foundation. It does not oxidize on your skin. I have very short of time, so I have to do it quickly. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting spray just to seal my base. So one of the most important things when you're doing your Bharatanatyam makeup is your eyebrows. I have very thin eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with like pomade. This is not actually a pomade, it's a gel eyeliner. It's by the brand called Mars. It's like a brown gel eyeliner. Never go in with black. It is going to make you look like a demon. I'm just gonna go in with a line at the bottom and just fill everything in. Going a little overboarded is fine because end of the day it's your dance makeup. See, this is the difference. And I'm gonna take a little more concealer, foundation, whatever it is your choice. I'm just gonna put it under my eyebrows. I'm going to be using Deadly Desire palette by Revlon. This has like good neutral shade. Start with like very light shade and just go in with the entire lid using a flat fluffy brush. 2 shades of brown and just go in with my crease. Just drawing my crease line. 2 shimmer shade, that is Suspense and Sin. How beautiful they have named the shades. I'm going to mix both of them and just tap it on my eyes. More definition to your crease line. I'm going to use both same colors of brown and just going to go in with the lower lash line. Now is the very crucial and a tricky part is my eyeliner. I'm using a kohl pencil. I'm going to follow it up on the upper lash line as well. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is eyeliner. Make sure you always draw a guideline and then just fill it all in. So this is how my eyes look right now. So another very important thing that I'm going to be doing is to seal in my kajal so that it doesn't spread. I have like a black powder over here. You can use it like an eyeshadow or an eyebrow filler. I'm just gonna seal my kajal down there. Ooh, how beautiful just an eyeliner makes a makeup. So I have like an highlighter over here. It's like a proper white goldish pearlish highlighter. I'm gonna use a little bit of that and just put it on my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use like 2 shades of blush and just gonna go on the cheek. You also need to contour your face and everything, a pretty harsh contour, but I'm just gonna bronze my face using like 2 shades of bronzer. One is a little highlighted one, another one is just a normal brownish powder. Another thing I would like to do is I'm going to use like a little bit of bronzing powder and just going to go on my nose. Now I'm going to take a fluffy little brush and just going to take some highlighter that I used. So doing a regular makeup and a Bharatnatyam makeup is entirely different. I'm going to take like a burgundy shade of lip liner. So every time I like to use a cream lipstick and then a liquid lipstick over a cream lipstick. That makes it stay for a longer time. And now I'm going to amp all of these things up with a magenta, pinkish, purplish, burgundy-ish, whatever you really want to call. There's like a very cute shade. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is using setting spray. And let everything seal in. The most iconic thing of the Bharatanatyam makeup is bindi. I'm going to go in with this bindi. It's not very small, but it's fun. So I'm using a white chand. You can also use like white face paint or something. I'm using a lino brush. This is basically a lip liner brush. And I'm going to put like 3 dots. Put in some mascara, which is like really important. So this is my final look. Now I don't have much time to briefly talk to you guys about. I'll go finish my exams, come back, and then I'll sit and do a chit chat with you guys. Today was a really special day to me. I had my first ever Bharatanatyam exam. Though I'm learning since like really long, I couldn't make it for any exam because it used to get dropped down every now and then. So I finally gave my first ever Bharatanatyam exam, and this is my makeup after my exam. I'm filming this after I did my exam and back home. So it did stay for like really long time. You can see there is no smudge at all. So I really hope you guys liked this video. It was really special creating this for me as well. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what all you like it. And if you want to know how I did my braid and everything, put it down in the comment section below. I will make sure I'll get you a tutorial on this as well, that it doesn't, you know, even go here and there. There is no flyaways at all. So until next time, stay tuned, take care, bye bye. I love you guys and take care of yourself.